Seng Vpp la ne Voice of the People Party hak arpo tarik bentau benai kalau Pyllait bai ke Jingkular jangka nak benta ke election MLA araja Pyllait. Ya kini ke Jingkular la ni ke pledge la Pyllait do ba aden embassy moit president ke Seng ringkal ke jedar lang ki dekat ber ki kertong jangka ni ke Seng. Kimar ki bakongsan ki bakani ke Jingkular ke kintup ki long halor ke pule ke puthi ke koi ke khia ke rap ke riang ke kindo ke siap ke kam jengok kai perthei bat shibun ki we there.
Ni ken mau ba hakapol bangara ya gani ka mat po assembly mundan welu u ba persya. There was no one who opposed my resolution hagri bagani tenre baro occupation menta hagani ka debate haga discussion hagri bag article 371 keep in power but they still need some more time to understand about the issue. So they feel that the deliberation on this issue needs to be continued. Tamo kata kali kapag ipenpa. Te komba kalong menta ni ipini kaprangot kumapiong. Bat ni mdi bankret baka party ko bajak pang prangot hakani ka tem kapamenta. Kadon haka position kabakala ban influence the government on any issue. Te hopefully there is every likelihood VPP kan yo ya kabenta kabakongsan hakade ka sansnet kabamenta the lingba kata the community but positive optimistic bangila ban prinsutho ya kini pat kiwe ki political party ba sansne menshwa playola ban sutho ya gade ka jington kam jabri ka article the mentara ni snem bagi manager pass ke resolution bagi pass the government of India nam tak extension jo article 370. See, we witness the protest which are coming not only from the urban area but especially from those areas which have been affected by this MOU. We feel that we are duty bound as a new political party to review and take everybody on board and to involve those stakeholders which have been left out by the present regime.
But we have seen political parties who are part of this current government, like the UDP, they have also stated in their manifesto that they also seek to review the MOU. So what do you have to say?
You see, what do I have to say on this? Which is why BPP is coming up, because people have lost faith completely on all these existing political parties. Understand, today the stand is that the government is doing fine as far as MOU is concerned, and tomorrow the government is not doing good. So people have seen, which is why we hope that the people of the state will give us a chance in order to rectify all these mistakes.